Hello, guys. Welcome back to another episode of iThrive's Geeky Podcast. I'm Krishna Mesta, functional nutritionist, R&D division at iThrive. In a previous episode, we discussed about food sensitivity, allergies, and the difference which these two terms have. Do give a look at this video and do like, share, and subscribe. In our today's episode, we are going to talk about a topic which is kind of gained a limelight in recent years. And to discuss this, I have Anagha Gawade, who is a researcher R&D division at iThrive. Hello, Anagha.
Hi, Krishna.
Are you excited today?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Yes. So, as I was talking about, this topic which we are going to talk about has gained a limelight in recent year, that is breastfeeding. So, would you like to tell about the importance of breastfeeding?
Yes. You have correctly said that it has gained a lot of importance in the recent years. Breastfeeding is very important because it is like the first nutrition you give to your infant or to your child to ensure that he or she gets optimum health and you keep them safe from all the allergies or prevalent diseases that they might get. The breast milk is safe and it is hygienic, and it is also gives you a lot of nutritional aspects to the child, so that they get the right amount of energy and other nutrition which they might not be able to have because they're infants, right? So
Yeah.
it is very important.
Yes, and even breastfeeding has an impact on child's, as you correctly mentioned, the development, even the development of immunity. Similarly, our human body is like laden with lots of microbes, parasite, protozoa all throughout our body. And even there is one term, what is known as gut microbiome. So, what is gut microbiome all about?
Yes, just as you said, the human body has lot of bacteria, viruses. So the gastrointestinal tract and the intestinal area has the highest number of microbiota from the whole body. Okay, and this microbiota which colonizes your gut is known as the gut microbiome, and it is very important because it depends upon what kind of feeding methods were used when we were an infant. Either it can be like breastfeeding or artificial milk was given to the infant, or through genetics or through the environmental factors also play an important how your gut microbiota is composed. How the composition of the gut microbiota is based on all these factors, because when you're an infant or when you're a child, you might be playing outside in the mud. So that also plays an important role in how shaping your gut microbiota. Then your dietary habits, your lifestyle habits also play an important role in shaping the gut microbiota.
Yes, rightly mentioned by you, the role of like playing outside. Like nowadays we see parents like they are kind of scared to send their parents to like children
Yeah.
to actually play outside.
Yes.
Like they are scared like they'll get at cough or maybe some viruses or bacteria and they'll fall sick. But it has actually shown to improve our immunity
Yes.
to a certain extent as well. So to bring a connection between these two, the breastfeeding and gut microbiome, so what is the composition of breast milk basically?
Yes. Yeah. So the breast milk is the first food that you give to your child, your infant, and it is composed of various bacteria. They can be the major, I'll term only the major ones, like lactobacillus, the staphylococcus, enterococcus, and bifidobacterium are some of the major ones which are present in your breast milk. There is also the complex human milk oligosaccharides which are there. It is a complex sugar which basically provides like energy. It also acts like prebiotics, for your good bacteria to grow and for their activity to function better, for your good bacteria specifically. And then there are also other immune elements which are present, like the colostrum, which is the first milk secretion after giving birth, has IgA antibodies, which is very important for protecting your baby, your infant from various allergies and infections when they're first exposed to the outside world. And there are also, your breast milk also contains IgG and IgM antibodies as well. So yeah, it is very important. And as I said that this microbiome, this bacteria which is present, various lactobacillus and staphylococcus, they are very important because they will go and reside and colonize your gut, your gastrointestinal tract, which will give rise to growth of good bacteria. It will also keep your gut, the mucosal barrier intact, so that there is no leakage of pathogenic bacteria inside. And also it will protect you from various other, there is immunomodulation also which is happening. And this your gut health is important for your overall health also, because your gut is connected to various organs and various parts of your body. So yeah, I think breast milk with all this composition is very much important for ensuring a healthy life for your infant.
Yeah, so basically the breast milk which is there, it kind of acts as a prebiotic,
Yes.
and which provides food for this gut microbiome. So it will produce what is known as short chain fatty acids.
Yes.
And these, as you mentioned, like these have many beneficial role for our organ system, like your brain, maybe to our gut, the epithelial cells of this, the lining of the gut, even our heart health as well.
Yeah.
So this brings me to one of the most important question, like the nutrition of the mother will play a role in how the secretion, how good the breast milk will be, right?
Yes. You need to ensure that whatever, I know that you are breastfeeding your children. So, of course, you're hoping that, they get the optimum nutrition, but you yourself, the mother yourself, needs to have optimum nutrition also, so that you can ensure that your child is getting enough and good nutrients and factors. So yes, so a right amount of vitamins, then minerals are important. So yes, a protein-rich diet is also very important while you are breastfeeding, because a protein-rich diet will ensure that you have enough breast milk and a good quality breast milk with the right amount of antibodies, which will protect the child from infections in further. I think you might be the correct person to give more information about the nutritional aspect.
Yeah, so even I was like going through a research as well, which was talking about breast milk and the infant formulas which is
Yes.
present. So the quality of food which we are consuming will actually dictate the amount of whey and casein, which are the major protein of the milk in the breast milk, which is going to be providing the nutrition to the child, because it's the only food which they are consuming during the first 6 months of their life, I would say. Even all the alcohol consumption, the smoking, like the metabolites which are broken down into our system, the mother's system, it will actually go and like it will be a major component in the mother's milk as well. So it's going to dictate the way like what the child's development will be in the later life as well. So
Yes.
yeah, the nutrition part is very much important,
Yeah.
and we should take care of all the malpractices, I would say.
Yeah.
Like this alcohol, smoking, and even a good physical activity will also contribute a lot
Yes.
to the development of child as well.
I think yeah, all these habits will directly will impact the gut microbiota of your child. So yeah, I think it is very important that we need to keep all these points in our mind, for as nutritional aspect, that you need to be healthy for your child to be healthy.
Yes, this reminds me also, guys, you can look at the post which we make, that is known as Geeky Guruvar,
Yes.
on LinkedIn, on our profiles as well. So there also we talk about like we try to deep dive into certain topics, and we make actually creatives out of it. And if you do have questions regarding same, you can just down like write it down in the comment section, and we will try to solve those as well.
Yes.
So it was a lovely discussion with you, Anagha. And do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And hope to see you guys again in the next episode. Thank you.
Thank you.